Okay. No, I clicked everything. Nothing works. Whoa, wow this. Okay, so the new setup can be like this. That's cool. That's really cool. Can be like this. Or it can be like this. Or like this. Like this. This is cool. Let me show you what it looks like. Keyboard, lighting situation, a protein shake. So here's the deal, the microphone is connected to the audio interfaces. As you can see, as I'm talking, the light shines here, so that means there's a signal coming through the microphone, there's a sound coming through the microphone. And Ableton can pick this up, but when I use OBS, there's no sound here as it should be, as always was. So I'm not sure what's going on. In this video we're gonna just stick to the camera microphone, which I'm sorry about because it's not the best quality. And this room is not acoustically treated at all, so there may be some audio, what is it called? Reflections, and it's not really bad here. I really like what it looks like now. So today we're gonna make some lo-fi because I am making a lo-fi album that I'm gonna be sending to Chilled How. Chilled How? How the hell? Chilled Cow. And I'm gonna try to get released. So I have 7 songs and I need 10. So we're gonna make one today and hopefully it's gonna fit. So, how do we start? First of all, we have to write a pretty cool chord progression. So how do we do this? Here's the tricky part, I have no idea, to be honest. But what we can do is we can open Spotify and go to Chilled How. How the hell? Chilled Cow itself. And we can listen to some tunes, right? Skip the voicing like this. Okay, so the problem with these sounds, like really mellow organ sounds, is that they are so muddy. But what we can do, and as you can hear, there's a lot of like harsh resonances, and it just sucks. What we can do is we can use Soup by Oak Sound. Shout out to Oak Sound, sick plugin. Yeah, that's cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open vinyl distortion, add some crackle. But the deal with the crackle here is that it is playing all the time, and I'm not into that, you know? So this is not cool. Let's try overdrive. Yeah, it's kinda cool. I'm not sure about the sound, it's kind of really muddy. This is cool. This, let's put that vinyl crackle in the background. Oh, I heard a melody. Yeah, but we need a different sound. Okay, this is cool, but this is too hard. We need just like a small sine wave plaque. Yeah, just something like that. This is a cool layer. It's gonna stay in the background. Just gonna put it like because this sound is in the middle and we want this one to be on sides, just to position the instruments in a stereo field. We can add even more portal onto this. How about pitch automation? Yeah, just a little bit. Also. Okay, so before we add drums, I think we can add some more background elements. That is really sick. Let's try RPG. So the auto filter envelope mode detects the transient and opens the filter for a certain amount of time. That's cool. Let's add portal. We just add some sparkles. So I think we can do the utility here with the gain automation. It's gonna just, yeah, it's gonna just open. What we can do, we can put auto pen on this. That's gonna go from left to right channel. Yeah, this is cool. Before the portal. That's cool. Hey, that's cool. Ooh, look at the grid. I almost played it quantized. Bruh. Okay, so now let's just add drums. Fine. Oh my god, we are working in 145 BPM. I forgot to change BPM. Okay, that's fine, I guess. 145 isn't bad. Wait, 145, it's 72.5. So that's good. So I'm making a lo-fi sample pack. I have no idea when this is gonna be out, but it's cool. It's like really chill. So a fun fact, the way I made this drum loop like really deep, really lo-fi, is I put a shaper box on the whole drum loop. So the drum loop was like hi-fi, like this one, and I used one of the presets here and it just turn it into this drum loop. We're gonna put the shaper box on the whole music group. But first of all, I wanna do this side chaining. Like for lo-fi, I think the best way to side chain is using compression. Okay, let's now do the shaper box thing and like check out the motion rhythmer. That's cool, but it's getting really deep. Yeah, stuff like that. Lo-fi, what's lo-fi? Okay, no, I'm not into that. Chop and repeat. Yeah, so a lot of cool things you can do. I recommend experimenting with it. Really cool, but really muddy. Anti-mud compressor. Okay, so let's do an intro, right? No bass. Crackle is playing. Copy this thing here. Okay, so that's a pretty decent track. Okay, let's listen to the whole thing. Cool, it's gonna end here then. Is it good for chilled cow? I don't think so, but it is a pretty cool tune. I guess that's it. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy. Let me know what you think about a new background thing that is. Can you see this actually? No, it's like really dark. And outside is a cloudy weather, so you can't really see this. Very nice. So thanks for watching, and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can hit that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.